Elastic Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Elastic Email are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its features, who it's best for, and how well it performs. Elastic Email is an all-in-one email marketing and SMTP relay service designed for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. It's known for its affordable pricing, high deliverability rates, and robust API, making it a great choice for both marketers and developers looking for a flexible solution. The platform provides a drag-and-drop email editor, allowing users to create professional-looking emails with ease. It also includes pre-designed templates to speed up campaign creation. Automation features let users set up drip campaigns, autoresponders, and transactional emails, ensuring better engagement with subscribers. List segmentation and A/B testing help optimize targeting and improve open and click-through rates. One of Elastic Email's biggest strengths is its powerful SMTP relay and API, which allows businesses to integrate email functionality into their own apps, websites, and platforms. This makes it an excellent option for developers who need a reliable email sending infrastructure. The platform also offers detailed analytics, giving users real-time insights into delivery rates, engagement, and overall campaign performance. Deliverability is a key focus for Elastic Email. It uses email verification tools and reputation monitoring to ensure emails land in inboxes rather than spam folders. The service also provides dedicated IP addresses, giving businesses more control over their sender reputation. In terms of pricing, Elastic Email is one of the most cost-effective solutions on the market, offering pay-as-you-go and subscription-based plans, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. However, its interface can feel a bit technical for beginners, and customer support response times could be improved. Overall, Elastic Email is a powerful and affordable email marketing solution, particularly suited for businesses that need both bulk email marketing and transactional email services. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet feature-rich platform, this is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.